Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous video, I have discussed various functions of string, how to format string, along with various string functions, is alpha, is number, such as, and also we have discussed various programs on string such as reversing word using string, alter the internal words using string. So we have already completed the string chapter of Python. Now in today's video we are going to start list data structure. List data structure, we want to represent a group of individual objects as a single entity where insertion, order, preserve and duplicate are allowed. Then we should go for the list. Okay, such as insertion, order, preserved. These are the characteristics. I am discussing the characteristics. Insertion, order, preserved. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous means all type of objects can be list using this list data structure. List is a dynamic because based on our requirement we can increase the size and decrease the size of the list. Okay, according to our necessity. Next, in list the elements will be placed within square brackets and with comma separator. Python supports both positive and negative index. The positive and negative index. Positive index means from left to right, and negative indexes means from right to left. See, I have already given you the example. Suppose 20, D, E, 50, 30, 90. Okay. So all these are heterogeneous. All these are heterogeneous objects, and that is stored in a list 20, D, E, 50, 30, 40. This is from left side to right side. Okay, left side to right side. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the positive index, and from negative index, from right to left, from your right hand portion to your left hand portion. See, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. In the -6 position I have stored 20. If in the positive index, in the negative index, in the positive index, in the 0 position will be 20. Okay, such as in the -3, that means in the negative position the 50 is the element or 50 is the object. In the positive position 3 is the 55. Okay, good. Next, how to create of a list object. List, square bracket, print list, print type list. Empty list object as follows. Here empty list, because we have mentioned nothing, no objects there. You will find no objects. So it was the empty list object as follows. In the second list, in the list I have already write 10, 20, 30, 40. If we know elements already, then we can create the list. This is the list creation process. Okay, good. The next is dynamic list. The next is dynamic input. List eval. Eval means evaluate, input, enter list, print list, print type list. What will be the output? Enter list. Suppose 10, 20, 30 and 40, and the list will be printed such as this: 10, 20, 30 and 40. Suppose wish list function, how it will work? L list range 0, 10, 2. 0 means starting object, 10 is ending object, and the step between the two is 2. Print L and print type L. It will print in the list, typing a list manner. See the square bracket, inside the square bracket the object that is starting from the 0 and 2. The difference or the step between is 2. 2 and 4, the step difference between the two is 2. 4 and 6, the step difference between the two is 2. 6 and 8, the step difference is 8. But after it will not print again. Okay, it will not print again. Good. Suppose we are doing it using number. Now we are giving example using suppose string. S is equal to Durga, L is equal to list, S print L. The Durga means Durga, Ma Durga. Okay. D in the list box you will find D in the single inverted comma, U in the single inverted comma, and the separator is comma. Separate is comma. See the separator, and every letter is distinguished by the single inverted comma. Okay. So friends, for today it is enough. I will be back with the next video, where you will get other function from the list data structure. Friends, please share, subscribe my channel and comment my channel. Without your comment, I cannot be grow my channel, or I will be very helpful if you comment in my channel what you need, what types of program do you need, and please click on the I button link for the previous videos of Python. Thank you friends.